Welcome back to my channel, my darling. So here is the hairstyle I wore for my birthday brunch. I'm going to show you a mini tutorial on how I did it. So hit the like button if you like the hairstyle, and I'm going to show you how I dressed up completely. Before I started a mini tutorial on the boho goddess braids, I decided to saturate my natural hair with water because I didn't want to stretch it out by blowout or straightening to ease the parting process. If you're here for the first time, my channel is all about hairstyling, hairstyle inspo, both on myself and as well on models from time to time. You can check out my YouTube shorts as well, and my channel is all about fashion and lifestyle vlog. If that's your vibe, make sure that you hit that subscription button and the notification button as well, for you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming video. Since as this is going to be a vlog, I'm not going to show the complete braiding process, so pay attention, look very keenly on the first two braids that I'm going to do, and I just simply repeated the entire process throughout my hair. So at the very first one, I'm going for medium size, so the very first line around my ear, I just simply splitted it into two, put the hair away, which I'm not going to work with. I'm using my red one wax to make sure that it's smooth and clean. Then I separate each section of the curly extensions into three. As you see here, I'm using this rack to make sure it eases my braiding process. Then I started off the knotless braiding by braiding my own hair 3 times before I started incorporating the hair extensions into it. And that's just it. If it's very quick for you, you can repeat as many times as possible to follow up how I'm going about the whole process. morning, so I'm dressed up to go out for birthday brunch. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today is a recap of how I spent my birthday, so stay tuned. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscription button for you wouldn't want to miss out on my upcoming videos.